Learn your English voice with will be doing and will have done. Will be doing is the future continuous and is used to speak about what will be happening. It is also used to speak about complete actions in the future, having the context of be going to. Let's look at some examples. In the future, I will be buying a driverless car. Be in the middle of doing. The government will be installing the infrastructure to make this possible. They are going to. Compare the continuous forms of verbs. Let's look at the past continuous. Last year, I was thinking about how cars would change in the future. The present continuous example. Today, I am looking into what manufacturers are developing. And lastly, the future continuous example. In a few years' time, I will be buying a driverless car. Will have done is the future perfect and is used to speak about something that will already be complete before a time in the future. Our example, I am sure that within a few years my children will have travelled in a driverless car. Let's compare the perfect forms of verbs. First, past perfect. When I had the accident, I had been driving for 10 years. Next, the present perfect. I have driven to work today. And last, the future perfect example. By next week, I will have had my car for 2 years.